Hey, what's up? I'm getting ready to change my oil in this thing again. Gotta change the oil pretty often, these Honda generators. And I actually wanted to tell you guys that thanks to YouTube and thanks to you guys in the comment section, someone a while back enlightened me on something like this that they sell and they manufacture. So I want to say thank you. Another great reason why I love YouTube, just the interaction with all types of different people from different parts of the world and whatnot, and ideas that get shared, and so this is pretty cool. I think if it works, I don't even have to pull this thing out of the box. I can just do it right here. I think that tube is for like blowing shit up, like beach balls and stuff. I got this old empty container. Too tight. I know I got a dime in here somewhere. Yeah, but so let's see how well this thing works. Pretty dirty. Been a little while since I changed the oil, or it's been a while since I changed the oil. Alright, so let's see. Spray light oil into barrel at top nozzle when dry. Why? Okay, so this one's sucking in, this one's pushing it out. Stick that in there. Stick that in there. Stick this there. And stick this there. That. Let's see what happens. Ooh, it's working. Oh, look at that. Look at that, it's working. Oh, man. What? That's cool. Dude. Is that all of it? Gotta be more in there. Let's see. Wow. Hey, that's pretty cool, guys. And then I can put the oil back in by putting that tube in here and that tube in there. How cool is that? Learn something new every day. Let's see if I got it all. Oh, I still see some in there. I may have to put a wedge or something underneath the back there. Keep this angled. Let me try to do it like this. It'd be nice if this was battery operated, you know. where I could just hit a trigger. Zzz. I bet they make one like that. I bet I can go on Amazon and find it. Alright, I think the rest, I think maybe I could just lay paper towel or something down maybe and get the rest out of there. I didn't know that was in the way the whole time. Let me see what I got. Alright, I don't know how much is really left in there, so let's find out. So let's see how well this thing works and see how much it got out. I'm pretty sure it got out a lot of it, but I'm curious. This is probably going to be messy. Wow, that oil was dirty. I'm thinking about putting a timer on this engine. I don't know if you can see that or not. There was still quite a bit in there. Look how dark that oil was. Yeah, I think I'm gonna install a countdown timer or whatever, a timer on this thing. I've seen a couple different videos on YouTube installing one, so I think that's what I'll do in the future. That way I know exactly when it's time for an oil change, because I want to keep this generator for a long time. And you know me, guys, I like to take care of my shit. I don't treat my stuff like I have all the money in the world and just keep buying more shit. But the stuff I do have, I cherish. Alright, so now got the new fresh oil. Fresh oil. So I believe you just reverse the process. You put this one now in the engine, then you stick this one in the container. Let's see what happens. Whoa, I don't want to spill that shit. I wish this hose was clear too, so I can see. There it goes. Yeah, I wish this was one hand operated too. Slippery. It's a little slippery. That's it. It's fill. That's it. How cool is that? That worked pretty well. I'm impressed. Just get all any excess oil out, right? Oh, it's still dripping oil though. See? It's still a little messy, I mean, but it's a lot better than what I've done before. And it doesn't get every drop out of it, but still, I think it's pretty, I think it's still pretty damn cool. A lot quicker than sitting here pulling the thing out and finding a curve and a container to put under it and have it spill all over here. It still spilt a little bit, but last time I spilled like almost all of it. Let me get a napkin. Alright, I'm back. That back on. Top on that. Yeah, can you see how dark that was? Pretty bad. Getting this a little wiped down. Alright, well, that's pretty much it. Again, I want to thank the person that left a comment and told me about that little thing. I'm sorry I don't remember right now offhand what your name was, but thanks for the advice. It's pretty dope. Now I can continue on with my day, you know what I'm saying? Try to clean this thing off. Alright. Well, I'll leave it at that, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you like it. See ya.